Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 F-150 Lariat in ruby red. With a black leather interior and seating for 5, this 4-door pickup has a 5.5-foot box and a 5-liter V8 4x4 engine, as well as a trailer tow package. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage cup holder and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver enjoys a powered seat with lumbar support. There's also memory settings for 2 separate drivers. Off to the side there are your lighting controls and your dash lights, as well as your power pedals. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of your steering wheel, you have dash controls, cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume. I'm just going to start up the truck for you. Up above on the dash is where you'll see any important messages. There's also a menu you can toggle through. Gauge mode, trip A/B, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and these all have submenus. Off to the side there's a storage bin, and below that is hill descent and traction control. Below that is your 4-quadrant LED touchscreen media display center. In the top right is navigation, top left, phone, bottom right is dual climate control with heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. And then in the bottom left hand side is entertainment, with AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD card, and AV line in. It's also where you'll see your backup camera view and going in reverse. Volume tuner, CD player, and hazard lights. Below that is dual climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Little storage bin just there. Off to the side, your 4x4 with locking differential and your integrated trailer brake controller. Automatic select shifter, and on the end there's tow haul. Give that a press, we show up off on the dash, pressed again, and off it goes. Couple of cup holders just there, and then in your armrest there's a clip on the end there. It's also lockable. Give that a press, there's that little removable bin there. Plenty of storage, as well as AV line in, SD, USB, and 12-volt outlet. Off to the side there's another 12-volt outlet, as well as a storage bin, and your glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, sunglasses holder, universal garage door opener, lighting controls, and when you're ready to open up that sunroof, simply click to let in some light and air. 18-inch wheels, chrome and magnetic running boards, chrome door handles, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler, power sliding rear window. That chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below that Ford badge is your backup camera. On the bumper you have sensors. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, a trailer tow hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply walk up and pull on the handle. You'll notice the inside's nice and roomy. There's also tie-downs in all 4 corners. There's a tailgate step to make it easier to get in, which I will not open today because it takes 2 hands. And your key fob has remote start. Storage cup holder and speaker in the door, as well as powered windows. You also have that nice wood trim there. The rear seat has seating for 3 and a 60-40 split. When you're ready to access that cargo area, simply take your hand underneath the seat there and push up to fold the seat up to enlarge the cargo space. When you're ready to put that seat back down in its original position, simply pull on the clip there, and the seat will fall back down in its original position. At the base of the seat are anchors for baby seats. In the center, an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, all-weather mat. Behind the front seat, slim pockets. In the center there, a couple of cup holders, 12 and 1 10-volt outlet. Grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. Power sliding rear window, and up above, hooks and lighting. Chrome bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass, powered side view mirrors, tow hooks, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.